Hello to my beautiful family. How are you doing? How is everything? So this is Halisma Palace. What I have here is infection flush and infection herbs. So these infection flush and herbs, we all have sexual problem, we'll have vaginal issues, vaginal itches, discharge, and lots more. So I'm going to be talking about infection, particularly what exactly usually affect our sexual life. You see a lot of people complaining, oh Halisma, I've been having issue, I've been feeling dry, my manhood is not functioning the way it is before. I used to be very healthy, I used to be this, I used to last longer on bed before, I used to last longer, and this and that and this and that. Well, you see, when you're complaining of shrinking of your manhood, or you're not lasting longer, or you're having whitish discharge from your manhood, and for the female aspect, if you're dry and you're not feeling you're feeling pains during sexual intercourse and you're having issue with back pain, abdominal pain. Yeah, even some men have issue with abdominal pain, and prostrate is also it's also a cause for shrinking of the penis, and it will make you last longer. And also, if you have sugar problem, people with, like diabetes patients, it's a normal thing, and some have problem. While some people their sexual problem is natural, there is no permanent cure for that. So I have infection flush and infection herbs here. Infection flush and the infection herbs helps a lot. It helps you to it cures toilet infection, blood flow, body flow, when you just normal, you're fine, and you see discharge coming out from your private part, you'll be wondering what exactly is this. Oh my god. And also rheumatism. Yeah, rheumatism is also one of causes of infection. It's a sign of infection to show you that yes, you have infection in your system. So there is joint pain, shrinking of the penis, which I mentioned not quite long. Joint pain, that's if you have any gonorrhea, is also an infection. And we have condemned sperm. When you made love with your woman, you notice your sperm is kind of watery, it's not creamy, it's not thick, it's not healthy at all. So infection also causes this. Discharge of fluid, you will notice you're having fluid coming out from your private part, whether you're a man or a woman, you'll be noticing all this stuff. Or you are urinating, you will notice you're feeling so much pains, and when you are urinating, there's no much urine coming out from your private part. It will just come out very small, and that's all. But for it to come out, you'll be feeling these very pepperish pains from your private part. Infection causes it. And we have also kidney infection, lower abdominal pains. Your abdominal pain you'll be having so much abdominal pain, very sharp pains from your abdomen, lower abdomen. It's also all infection. Or during intercourse, when you're having sexual intercourse with your partner, you'll be feeling so much pain. You're not enjoying anything. You'll be feeling so much pains from your private part. When you complain to your partner, you'll be like, oh, maybe complaints, a lot of complaints from that aspect when it comes to sexual intercourse. And we have fibroids. Fibroids is also another causes of infection. Also, or maybe you're not having any feelings, you lose your sexual drive, you're not feeling anything. Some people will even stay for years, for months, without having any feelings for he or her partner. Private part inches. You see some people going about scratching their private part, scratching that part it's also infection. Some people doesn't even know that they have infection. But there are some customers when they come to me and I tell them, oh, when they give me this complaint, I will be like, you have infection. No, I don't have infection. I've gone to the hospital. I treated infection. Infection you see is a bacteria or is a parasite that stays in your system. So if they give you medicine from the hospital or you will do herbal, you have to continue using it till it's normal. Because when you stop, when you're taking this medicine, it weakens the parasite, and when you stop and leave it for some days, it kind of, so you're giving it more strength, to continue surviving in your system. So you have, when you're giving when they recommend the medicine for you, try as much as possible to follow the dosage till you finish with it, till you're done with it before you stop. Because when you stop and you're not done with the dosage, it comes back. It gives it more strength, and it has to find a way to feed. Most especially we women, our private part is open and always watery. So that's the kind of place that kind of infection really wants. Somewhere that they can survive, and they can survive and keep on developing, keep on producing, and that's what we don't want. So there is blood urine, vaginal rashes, vaginal odor. You notice some people having menstrual pains before they start their period. They'll be experiencing a strong pains, or when the blood is releasing or the blood is coming out, they'll feel a very painful one. So this infection flush and infection herbs also help in stopping all these pains. And when you're having issue with waist pains, back pains, stomach pains in men, it's a serious, when a man tells you he's having a stomach pain, it's a serious one. So he needs to treat that problem with this product. And Staphylococcus, and it cures appendix and lots more. So this is an amazing product for you all, for both men and women to try. So it comes problems, all these issues, the infection herbs and the infection flush, and is for both men and women. So this these particular ones you're seeing in the picture is a set. So it's for one person. So it cures all these problems that I just mentioned. So the infection flush comes as 4 liters. So you need to take 4 liters and 2 of the infection herbs to cure this problem that I mentioned. By God's grace, inshallah, your problem will be cured, your issue. So my number will be below. Try to contact me if you need this product. Try to chat me up if you need this product. We deliver worldwide. My Instagram account and my Facebook account will be there. So try to talk to me. Don't be shy. We're trying to solve our problems. Try to solve each other's problem. So it's not something to be shy of. If you're having this issue, please try to be open. And the problem with this problem is that it doesn't it prefers you cure it herbally, naturally, so that it leaves your system permanently. So this particular set is for one particular person. Try to take it. Please, for those of you that buy this product, try to take it till it's finished. Don't say, okay, my problem is solved, I will not continue. No.